Okay, so today's topic is add near double. So remember, put your name on it, and then we're going to start here. Think of the double fact for the smaller atom. Add one more to find the sum for the near double. So remember, yesterday we studied 4 plus 4 is 8. So here, 4 plus 5, how much is it? So there's a way of doing it. So 4 plus 4, let's think of that. And then we'd add 1, and then we have 4 plus 1. Remember, you got the 5 here. It's 5. So 4 plus 5, how much is it? Okay, there is a way of doing it. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1, your answer is 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Very well. Let's go to the next exercise. Think of the double fact to complete the near double fact. So let's count here. You got 5 feet plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you got 6 here. It's the same. So you start thinking of the double. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5. Remember, what is 5 plus 5? It's 10, yeah? But then you add one more, and you will make 6, yeah? So 5 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 5 plus 1, it is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. Good job. So remember, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So here's the same. 7 plus 7. And then you add one more because you have 8 here. 7 plus 1, it's 8. So 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1. Your answer is 15. So remember, here we start thinking of the double. 7 plus 7. And then we add 1 to make it 8. And your answer in this case is 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Good job. Let's go to this exercise. 8 plus 8 is 16. Remember, you can start counting with your fingers and you say 18, 8. Then you start 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 16. Good job. So here you got your answer, 8 plus 9. So now it's 8 plus 9. So if I got 16 here, and I just want add one more, so my answer will be, yeah, 17, because I just add one more. So in this case, it's the same. I start counting from 6, and I say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. So 6 plus 6, it's 12. I add one more, so my answer will be 13. Good job. So Clue counts 6 bears rolling in the grass at the zoo. She counted one more than 6 bears sleeping on the rocks. How many bears did Clue counted at all? So here we start with 6 down, and then we got 7 up here. So my answer will be 6 plus 6. I use the same. 6 plus 6 is 12, and I add one more is 13. Good job. So Chloe counted 13 bears. Let's go to the next exercise. Here, complete the addition problem. It's very important that you use this one so it will be easier. So you start with 5 and you just go jumping, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, let's go to the next one. 3 plus 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4, it's 7. Good job. Okay, now 6 plus 0. So I'm 6, 0. I don't move. I stay at the same place. So 6 plus 0 is 6. So 7 plus 2. Okay, so I just moved to 7. This is 7. And I jump 2 spaces. 1, 2. So 7 plus 2, your answer is 9. Good job. So now 8 plus 8, 8, and you start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 16. Good job. So you got 7 plus 6 plus 7. So again, you start from 6 and then you can start jumping 6. And I will jump 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is your answer? 6 plus 7? 13. So you remember what is 7 plus 7? 7. And you just go 7 spaces. Okay, so 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Good job. Let's go to the next exercise. So you got 5 turtles at the lawn, and then also saw 6 turtles swimming. So how much is 5 plus 5? Remember, 5 plus 5 is 10. So if you got another one, so 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1. Your answer is 11. So Chris saw 11 turtles. And this is time to review. This is an easy exercise because you studied this. This is just a review. So tall, remember how tall it is. So you start counting 1, 2, 3. So the turtle is 3 tall. And how about the lawn? Lawn. So you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the turtle is 6. 6. Good job. So this is all that you have to do today. Remember, go to your book and start doing your test, okay? You also have your test today. Have a great day. See you soon.